Okay, we're back on location. We got Mario Ron Bomb, whatever we call that, in that shirt.
Radical RC UK.
With the right controller.
Yeah, I've got a controller this time, fella.
Miles from Miles 123 RC. Mario's got the first in the UK Traxxas Funko. Look at that, Traxxas Funko. Love that. And then we've got Traxxas Rally Car, our version of a Traxxas Funko. xmaxx, Gorgon, Hornet, Mini Losi truck, TRX4M, and a box full of batteries. We made it to the top.
Oh,
Just posing for Dino to take a picture. Mario's feeding him. Top of the big dune.
I almost fell down there. Get the shirt in.
Get the shirt in. Guys, check out Dino's shirt, like. Slightest bit of sun. He's having a barbecue tonight, apparently.
Oh, that wasn't very friendly. Quite a shell.
Down in the sandbar, we got Dean with the Arrma Outcast 4S, Traxxas 8max. Hungry, Dean.
And probably break something. Don't be upside down over there.
Off you go, Dino! Here we go, guys. Just soak up that shirt.
I think it's
Miles rescuing his Gorgon. Dean giving the Arrma granite Evo. Cars lined up. Dino taking a hero shot. Happy with that, Dean?
Yes.
We're just limping back to the pit now, guys. Mazda's got some electrical problems with his Gorgon. I've picked up some damage to the xmaxx. Dean's got flat batteries. Mario's bust the arms on the back of the e-Revo for the 10 millionth time. So we're just limping back to the pits, and then we're going to get some more toys out. Let's see what Mario's up to.
That is hot.
Bit toasty, is it? Show us your fix, man.
Cable tied just to hold the track rod in on the back because it's snapped.
For the 10 millionth time.
Call it home.
Limp it back. Are we going to limp Dean back? I think so. Dean's tough though, he can carry it. It's an e-Revo with rear steering. Alright guys, we've just come back to the van for a quick coffee. We've got a kettle on there, coffee ready. Miles is on his can of pop. We've got some crew outside.
Alright guys.
Dean and Mario there. Eyeing up the old Traxxas rally car. Look at that for a setting, guys. Can't get better than that. What a view.
Ruined it.
Miles's car is actually on fire. The light bulb's gone, dude. The light bulb's gone. Oh no, it's the ESC.
It's on fire.
It's dead. Magic smoke, guys.
That smells.
Magic smoke.
I don't actually want to touch it, you know.
Oh well.
I'm going to shut it off. Where's that switch? It's not good.
Killed it.
It did kill it.
Oh, that stinks.
Well, at the end of the day, it's an Amazon ESC that has been run for 30 seconds, so that can go back.
Yeah.
Okay.
I would unplug that back. Alright, I blew it up. Smoking, boiling, melted, and the lipo almost blew up in my face.
That's really hot still, actually.
Yeah.
Still smoking a bit. It's actually melted all the ESC, look guys. There's a 2 to 3S rated ESC. That's had a 3S pack in it for literally 2 minutes. And that's happened. I wish you could smell it. Lovely. The frustrating walk of shame, guys, when you're walking back with your broken car and someone else is still enjoying theirs.
We haven't even got where we're going yet.
We haven't even got where we're going. Well said, Dean. We haven't even got where we're going. Ron Bomb RC to the rescue. He's just fronted up Miles with his Rolalo X12S on paddle tyres. He's a top man, Mario. He's even said he'll pay for any damage because it's his car.
I don't remember him saying that.
Mario's just plugging in the big boy. 6S in the sand. That is going to go. Just on a little magical mystery forest walk with Mario. I feel like we're on a forest schools trek, guys. We're just up in this forest. Walking for miles, boiling hot. No idea where he's going, but he reckons he knows where there's a cool bit of gravel, so that's where we're heading. We shall see. So it's about 20 minutes later, guys. We're still walking along this same path. Come from like, seems miles down that way. Mario's forging on, confident. We're heading to the right point. It's Dean and Miles up front, look. Hopefully it's going to be worth the walk, guys. So Mario has finally admitted. Did you bring us the wrong way, Matt?
Maybe.
So we're going to walk all the way
It's been a year
back
since
down
I've done the walk with the dog.
where we've just been. So I'm glad I've got a Losi Mini-T and my controller in one hand. Smelly burnt out ESC. He's crashed, he's crashed.